Hello everyone, and I'm pretty sure that you have seen this type of thing on a lot of YouTube videos. And in today's video, we will understand what are these and how to get them on your videos. And we're starting right now. Hey, what's up everybody? This is again MZ Tomorrow channel or Showtime with MZ. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below. Also like this video. Also comment and of course click that notification bell so that you don't miss any future content. And we're starting right now. So I'm pretty sure that you have already seen this kind of things on almost every single YouTube video. Like for example, let's take my YouTube video, how to access Creator Studio Classic in 2020. And here are these things. And also some other videos which you're seeing right now have of course hashtags. And yeah, these things are called YouTube hashtags. And these things are really important in growing your YouTube channel because they are like tags, but they are really important. Like tags are important, and let's say that like tags are 50% and hashtags are 50% as well. So I think that you have understood that these things are really essential. And now I'm gonna show you how to get these things on any of your YouTube videos. And first of all, you of course gonna have to go to the youtube.com, and then from the most of the YouTube screens, you're gonna just simply press your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. And after you are on your YouTube Studio home, then you're gonna tap content like here, and then you will see your videos, of course. And you're gonna choose the video that you want to add hashtags to. So for example, I'm gonna add hashtags to this video, iPhone SE something. So we're gonna tap this video, and then it is really simple. Just in the description, like this is the part that is called description, and I have actually a lot of things in my description. And you're gonna just simply do this thing. You're gonna tap hashtag and then whatever you want to write. But if your hashtag is 2 words or more, then do not press space. You are not allowed to press space. So you have to just simply write like this, like iPhone SE, and these are 2 words, but I made them as 1. And you can separate them by comma. And then again, hashtag, for example, iPhone 9, because it was known as iPhone 9 as well. Then again, hashtag iPhone no spaces. I forgot this myself. SE2 and that sort of stuff. And when you're gonna save this changes over here, so you're gonna tap save, and when these things will be changes will be already saved like this, you're gonna let's go to the video, and here you go. You see these hashtags.
Hello everybody.
And I think this is pretty awesome. Like, look, we got hashtags, and this is really important in growing your YouTube channel. And again, as what I told you in the beginning, please guys, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future videos like this. And if you liked this video, please click the like button down below. Also subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos like this. Actually, I have a playlist about YouTube tutorials and tips where I'm talking about how to grow your channel, some tutorials and like a really useful things. So you might like this playlist actually, so you can click it right now on your screen and watch it, or go to my channel, subscribe and watch it then. And Thank you guys. Bye.